and we didn't actually make the video like as it would get 10 million views. So we will do an oil change video number 2 on a different Veyron. Plus we've got the exhaust install. We've got a whole bunch of other stuff we're gonna do up here. Carbon everywhere.
First straight pipe Veyron.
I'm gonna take a moment to address the check engine light on the Veyron. I don't know why all of these new cars from this last week have decided to just throw problems at me all day, but that's what we're going through. I kind of feel like I already know what it is. I took a code scanner to it and I know what the code is, which is ironic. Because my last Veyron did the same thing. And it is probably the most common thing to happen on a Veyron. So I actually already have the parts in stock, which is a great thing. But I want to show you one quick thing. So on our upgrades list, I've got these. I had these powder. These are my spare ones from all the Bugatti parts. I got some taillights, some headlights. We're gonna make some new stuff here. The point of this new Veyron is to make all this cool new stuff, right? And make it look even more special than it really already is. These are black engine covers. I had these powder coated because they're like a cast. They're like some kind of a metal thing. So that's great. We're gonna maybe put those on right now as well. And let me show you something real quick, hold on. So if you look at the car, I've already got it on the lift. Sorry, no B-roll scenes of putting on the lift. This right here needs to be black as well as this. So previous to me releasing the car, you know, I already got these blacked out and I put the rift wheels on there. So the rift wheels had to go. I couldn't show anybody the car with the stock silver Veyron wheels. It just couldn't happen. Part of the reason why I waited so long to actually reveal the fact that I got the new car. I mean, while you're seeing this video, it's probably been a month since I've had this car. So we kept it on wraps for a month. I really didn't drive it. And I really wanted to make it look really good. So this is the point I'm talking about right here. These black, I don't have a spare set of these little covers here. So I'm gonna take those off and we'll do those black too. So it'll look really super dope. I got the badge off and I have it inside the car. I just need to get it powder coated or painted. Okay, let me get the code scanner. Andy, is it possible for me to get the Galileo over here? I have to ask for permission because it's always in this case, you know? See, it's how perfect it is. Got the plastic still on it, everything.
You're not allowed to just leave expensive things laying around.
Okay, let's go put this in. Load this on. Okay. Hear the fuel pump noise? That sounds pretty cool. All right, okay, bear with me here. Okay, it's on. Okay. All right, there we go. Now we can use this. Try again. So we're gonna select Bugatti. So this is all the software that I have, which is pretty cool. And then, so we're gonna go to auto detect because it's easier and it's faster. All right, and then electronic injection. No, this one, number 1. Come on. Okay, guys. See, it says established. This thing's slow. And reading errors. So right here, idling, speed control, start malfunction, read memory fault, engine control 2. So we're gonna go to engine control 2. Go back here, number 2. Read this one. look at this. So if you see, we have a bunch of misfires. All right. Now misfires are two things. They're either air or fuel, right? So it's gotta be one or the other. Now, the car runs really good and it drives normal, but with all these misfires, it's a problem. So right here it says intake manifold air mass, okay? These right here are all on the same bank, bank number 2. We need to replace the mass airflow sensors on bank 2. I'm gonna go through and do all 4 because it doesn't make sense to do one side. And they're actually very inexpensive. The OEM Bugatti part, $440. So you need 4 of those, so it's about $1,900. The actual part, same as a Volkswagen Jetta, $24, $25, I think. I think if you get the OEM one, it's $54, and like the Bosch one is the $24 one. I happen to only have the OEM ones, unfortunately, from Bugatti, which sucks because I learned after I ordered 4 of them that, because we were waiting for, the reason I have them is because we were waiting for them on the old Veyron. See, right here, boom. Is that it right there? Okay. Anyways, the reason it says $2,115. A reason we have those is because on the old Veyron, we had the same issue, but it was like 3 months that we had to wait for them. So I took the part out and see if I could match it. And well, truth, we found it. We found the match. So now we have the OEM ones in stock. I'm gonna show you how to do it, I guess. I'm just gonna do it right now. What we got to do is cars on the lift, wheels are gonna come off, fender liners are gonna come off, and then the intake things are like right here and right here. So this is the air filters right there. Let's do this.
So many of our viewers are probably having such anxiety right now.
We're free. Now you have this. Too bad that our Rift exhaust isn't here yet. We just hit all this in one take. Okay, so next is these all the way up through here. And then you have the ones, like I said, down here. So I can get to this one much easier here as well. Because it's right in here, it seats into this clip. Right here, feel that? Andy, card, receipt on your computer.
Thank you. I got it. Somebody got it. Move forward about half.
Ooh,
I got this one.
my anxiety levels
Okay, hold
are
on.
peaking.
I've got
All
this
right,
one. You have a ground wire on the back of that? See that?
what is it?
This is what we were getting hung up on right here.
It's a
It
hook, it
slid
goes
back.
forward, yeah. Because like right here, you see that? It clips into that carbon piece. So the Mansory parts are actually completely, inside the Mansory parts are completely different, right? So in the rear bumper, it has the same specific holes, but the Mansory parts don't have all of this edging, right? Because they don't bend the carbon like the aluminum around the that carbon like trim piece thing inside. So a little bit different. Let's. I need a rack. Well, they're right here. He weighs like 5 pounds.
Yeah, baby.
Whoa, Andy, that's a nice shirt.
Oh, thank you.
Pretty ironic what you're working on too.
I know, huh?
Technically, Andy, you do have a Bugatti.
I do.
Have you named her yet?
No, I have not named this one yet.
Okay.
All the other cars, just not this one.
Real quick, if you go up to the board over there, you can show the names of all the other cars.
Can we call this Cherry?
No, we're not calling my car Cherry. It's gonna have a very beautiful.
What about
aggressive
Cherry
name.
Pop?
He meant cherry is short for charity.
Yeah, Charity. There you go.
Oh, I was gonna
Here.
say short for Cherry Pop.
All right, we can get a little update. So here you have the mass airflow sensor. It's a large piece. It's from here to here, and clearly, it's a lot easier to do this with these panels out.
Yeah, you weren't doing it without the panel.
Well, I probably wasn't. I thought I could because when you have the panel off, you see how much space you have right here. This panel just comes down really too close. So didn't work out exactly how I planned. Let's put the dipstick back in there though.
Is it good on oil? Maybe another oil change video?
For sure we're doing another oil change video. Unfortunately, my last oil change video we shotgunned and we didn't actually make the video like as it would get 10 million views. So we will do an oil change video number 2 on a different Veyron. Plus we've got the exhaust install. We've got a whole bunch of other stuff we're gonna do up here. Carbon everywhere.
First straight pipe Veyron?
Yes, now let me show you. You can't really see. It disconnects right here and it's got a cat. I mean this big on there. I am so ready to, no, you know what? How much time have we got? Let's see. Maybe. Let's take them off. You wanna hear what it sounds like?
You're gonna do it right now?
Half
Save
the
that for a
car's
different
taken
video.
apart.
Don't spoil them too much.
Okay.
Let's be like everyone else,
This is already 3 videos, right?
right?
Removing one panel from a Veyron. Next video.
Yeah, we're gonna take
Putting the
cats
panel
off.
on a stand. Next video. Deciding what to do with the panel. Yeah, we could have had 15 videos by now if we were any automotive repair channels.
I don't think our mass air sensors are correct.
Listo.
So basically we're gonna throw these brand new mass airflow sensors in. And if you look right here, you can get these part numbers. This here is the OEM Bugatti part, but it also has this fancy little Audi and this beautiful Volkswagen sign on it.
Sign a waiver this time saying you're not gonna work on your own car?
No, I have the waiver on file. Not sure if it applies to the second Bugatti that I have or only the first one, but who cares? I don't really care. It doesn't matter to me. My point is that I'm gonna pop these silicone hoses off, put these on, and then we are gonna start the next project, which, if you watch the next video, is gonna be putting those engine covers on right there. So I showed you the black ones before I started this one, and I think it's time for that. And after that video, we will do another one. But before I go, I need to ask you guys to help me, help you, because I need you guys to like my videos and subscribe to this channel. Because unfortunately, I have a YouTube channel and I gotta treat it like a YouTube channel. So under extreme duress from the tensions of Mario yelling at me all the time, please like these videos so that they can get recommended in the YouTube's algorithm and people can start seeing the cool stuff we do to a Bugatti. Because I'm the only person in the whole world that works on their own Bugatti. And I really think it's cool if we show everybody that.
How about we
because
spice
it's
it
so
up?
fun.
How about we spice it up? Every video in this disassembling a Bugatti series, let's give away one item of merch.
Yeah, you can give away whatever you want, Mario.
Every
no
video.
problem. Just you could go ahead and give away whatever you want. I love giving away stuff because all these kids, man, they love it. They wear the sweaters, they wear all this cool stuff, and they always shout us out. And I'm very happy when you guys give away things. So before I leave, just please hook us up, man, so we can like make these videos better and keep growing our channel. All right? Thank you.